Hello and welcome YouTube. Again, we have another unboxing video for a small laptop. Um, this laptop is 11.6 inches. The brand is not famous for me. It's called Evoo. It's currently available on Walmart website. I got this one from Walmart website, $79.99 3 days ago. Their regular price is $199, but they made like a 1 day promotion on their website for this brand. So this brand, Evoo, I haven't used this brand before. I have no idea about their quality. It's my first one, so I'm gonna do unboxing and see what's inside it, and I'm gonna use it for a few days to check how is the quality on this laptop. The good thing I love about this one, the price. The price was good deal for me. $79.99 plus taxes is a good deal for a laptop you can carry. And also the other reason, it's a small laptop. I can carry this one with me all the time. Especially I do traveling a lot, so I'm currently using my 13 inches laptop, but since this one is 11.6 inches, so I can get this one with my backpack everywhere where I go. So comes with Windows 10. It's a solid state drive, 32 gig storage. It comes with a 4 gig RAM, and also the processor is 1.1 gigahertz, which is pretty much more enough for 11.6 laptop. It's not for heavy work, to be honest. This is just for the travel, checking emails, browsing, do kind of like small things. It's not recommended for games. It's not recommended for any heavy work on it. It's just like regular or maybe a small things you can do on the laptop. And comes with HDMI input, so it can be expanded. Comes with the expansion slot for Microsd. It's ultra thin laptop. The processor is 1.1 dual core processor. It's Intel. The resolution is good. For this one, it's 1920 by 1080, and comes with a front-facing camera and one USB port, and one USB port 2.0 and one USB 3.0. Then let's do unboxing and see what's inside the box. All right. Here we go. All right. Okay, this is just like a protector. All right, this is it. And also comes with two colors. Comes with the silver color and the black color. I prefer to use a black color on laptop. So my other one is a silver, but I want to get a black because I don't need to get two silvers. All right, so this is the one. So we're gonna open the rest to see what's. All right. Charger. That's a travel charger. User guide. As you know, always read the user manual and nothing else. So pretty much like I said, it's a simple laptop. It's not a fancy laptop. Just keep in mind, it's not a gaming laptop. It's not for heavy work. Nothing you can do except checking emails, browsing, do small things. All right. So this is it. Here is the laptop. As you see, it's 11.6 inches. It's Intel dual core processor, 32 gig storage. Has a Bluetooth, has a front facing camera, Windows 10, and it's for sure it's Intel. All right, so this side has a USB port 2.0, has a 3.5 millimeter input jack for headsets, and also comes with the micro SD card slot, so you can add another memory or another storage for your laptop. And this side has nothing, and this side has a 3.0 USB input port, and that's the micro HDMI input, so you can connect the laptop to a projector, a TV, or any other screen to use like the micro HDMI input. And this is the power input port for the travel charger. All right, so what else here? Nothing else. This is very much, like I said, it's a small laptop. It can be used for, it's not heavy actually, it's a good one. So I compare this one with my iPhone. It's a little bit heavier than the iPhone, but it's okay. I mean, it can be carried on your backpack. So yeah, very much that's all what I have for the Evoo 11.6 ultra thin laptop. I got this one on Walmart website. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much. So thumbs up for my video, and subscribe to my channel, and you can share my channel and put your comments, your questions, and I will reply to you. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.